Bem, eu já fiz o meu teste, já passei, estou aguardando o resultado de que forma que vai vir. E aqui o motivo de eu ter mudado o local de voo hoje, porque lá onde eu estava, olha a quantidade de pombas que tinha lá. E eu voltei a usar o Mini 2, porque acho mais fácil de manusear ele, o case, etc e tal. E também ele aguenta bastante vento, tá aí a prova disso aí.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I know you got one. There's no hurry. Night lights calling. In the Venner, driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me. Taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Leave in with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer. Your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me.
Agora me diga, você é um bom observador de telas, etc e tal, então leia essa mensagem que está na tela e tente me responder.
This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. We feel crazy.